You see your chickens outside? Hi everyone, I'm Lacey and I'm back here with another yoga video, filming this with Ava again. Ava, come here and say hi. Hi. So we're filming another yoga class. We're gonna play a fun animal game. So for props today, you don't need much, you'll just need your yoga mat. Okay, Ava, say bye-bye. Say we'll see you on your mat. Say bye. All right. Ooh, here you have all your toys here. You have your horse and everything. You have Peter Rabbit. All right, so we're gonna start off our class today with a little bit of centering. We'll do this together, huh, Ava? So, so she's 18 months and she loves animals, as you can see. Typical yoga classes don't work quite the same for toddlers when you get toddlers involved. So to keep her engaged, we're gonna play a fun animal game today. But we'll just start with a little bit of centering. And we'll be doing this centering by ringing a bell, which is something. So just a little ringing of the bell to start the practice. But I think she already wants to move on to our first activity. So our first activity, we're playing this animal game. So I've just written out the name of a lot of different animals on this piece of paper. And all these animals that are written, there are yoga poses for all of them. So we're going to cut all of these out and then we're going to put all of these into a hat. And then she's going to pick out the poses one by one and we'll practice them together. Okay, so I have a hat to put all these papers into, and like I said, we're just gonna put these papers into the hat. We're gonna shake them up, and Ava's going to pick some of them to practice. All right, Ava, what's this? Hat? Do you want to pick one? Which one do you want to pick? Can you pick a paper? Just one. Ooh, Ava, the first one is dog. Do you know the sound that a dog makes? Do you know what the dog says? Yeah, a dog goes woof woof. Do you know what a dog looks like? There's a yoga pose, Ava, called downward facing dog. And it looks like this. So, your hands come down to the mat, toes tuck, and then you lift your hips to the ceiling. I've seen you do this one before. Do you like to do this? So, sometimes Ava likes to practice downward facing dog. Today she just likes to play with the hat, but that's okay. Yeah, it's a hat. Where do you put your hat? Do you want to wear it? You put it on your head. Wow, good job. That's great. Do you want to pick it? Wow, good job. You look great in your hat. Wow, you look great in that hat. I don't see Ava though. I think she went missing. Where's Ava? Oh, you scared me. You scared me. Oh, where's Ava? Oh, you scared me again. Do you want to pick another paper? That one? That one says starfish. Do you know what a starfish is? Yeah, starfish. Yeah, those are toes. Those are your toes. You sometimes wear shoes there. It's mommy's pants. So a starfish is an animal that lives under the sea. It's shaped like a star. like a star. And that's your hat. Do you know what a starfish looks like? It looks like a star, but there's a yoga posture. Yeah, there's a yoga posture where you come down onto your belly and take one arm into a cactus shape and then roll onto that arm like this. So this is the second yoga posture, it's starfish. Yeah, that's your harmonium. So we'll do this for a few moments on this first side. Yeah. Oh, no. I don't think so, miss. I don't think so. I don't think so. Na. So to show you another view of what that starfish posture looks like, it's a yin posture. Typically in adult yoga classes, you practice it usually like 2, maybe 3, even 5 minutes. But it's a pretty intense stretch. But it's just laying on your belly with your arm to a cactus and rolling onto one side. Again, it's a pretty deep stretch for the pectoralis muscles, so for the chest muscles. So we'll do that on the other side, or I'll do that on the other side. So it's just coming down to your belly and rolling onto one side. And I'll just be here for a few moments because, like I said, it is a pretty deep stretch. Oh. Uh-oh. Ara's running away. Ara, do you want to pick for my hat again? Let's do another. Let's do another one. Ara, do you want to pick another one? Come here. Do you want to pick another one? Which one are you going to pick now? Oh, all of them. Wow. Wow. Yay. Good job. Which one? Which one? Do you want to pick this one? This one's cat. Do you know what a cat says? Cat says meow. Yeah. Do you know what a cat looks like? Yeah. There's a yoga posture called cat. It looks like this. You're down on all fours and you round your back. And you go meow. Round your back and go meow. Round your back and go meow. And this is a good stretch for the back of the body. Sometimes the back of the neck if you draw your chin to your chest. Yeah, that's a nice one. Okay. Wow, you see all of those cards too. Maybe we'll just do a couple more. Okay. What do you think? Do you want to pick again? Can you pick for mommy? Oh no! Oh no! Wow! We're gonna clean that up after. Hey, do you want to pick one of those cards too? Maybe there's a yoga posture we can do on these tarot cards. What about this one? Yeah, that's a horse. Do you know what the horse says? Yeah, it says neigh neigh. Yeah. So we can do horse, it's a yoga posture, and we can make horse sounds. We can do horse breath. Yeah. So horse is with the knees bent, the hips down. Yeah, we can do horse. Yeah, is that Dada in that tarot card? Maybe. We can do horse breath in horse stance, and that's just a flutter of the lips. So Ara, do you want to make that horse noise again? Maybe? Yeah? Alright. It's just fluttering out the lips. Yeah. Good, try it one more time. Oh, good job. Good job. What else? Do you want to pick another one? All of those? you want to do this one? This one's called Crow. Oh no, are you okay, Miss? This one's called Crow. Do you want this one? Yeah? So crow, do you know what crow is? Crow is a bird. The bird goes tweet, 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 tweet. Something like that. So crow is an arm balance. Wow, you're reading a book. It's an arm balance with your palms grounded, and then your knees come up to your upper arms, and then you rock forward onto your hands and lift your feet up like this. Wow! And then you can just kind of rock back and forth. Wow! Good job. Oh, Ara, you know how crow is a bird? This is another bird. And that's a horse. We were just talking about horses. Do you know how to ride this horse? Yeah. Do you know how to ride it? Can you gallop? Gallop like a horse? Whoa! Almost there. Try again. Yeah. Try again. Good job riding your horse. Great job. Good job. So we can ride the horse. Do you want mommy to ride the horse? Do you want mommy to do the horse breath while she's riding the horse? And the horse posture? Yeah. Good job. Good job. You like to make horse noises, huh? So Ava, the horse postures, it kind of helps maybe to use this because you're going down into horse posture, right? As if you're riding a horse. And then you go make horse breath sound. Oh, Ava. Yeah, so crow is a bird and owl is another bird. Do you know what noise owl makes? Ow. Yeah, and owls go woo woo, woo woo, woo woo, woo woo. That's the noise the owl makes. Oh, yeah, you did that one already. Wow. What about Ara? I have another one. This one's called eagle. Do you know what an eagle looks like? It's another bird. Yeah. You want to take this? So eagle is another bird, and it looks like this. The yoga posture looks like this. So you lift one leg and wrap the other around that. The leg that's still grounded. Or you can just kickstand the foot to the side, and then the arms can either come together like this, so like you're making a beak, or you can wrap one arm underneath that arm. So the arms are your beak, and your legs are wrapped around one another, either with one leg or with both legs lifted. Well, then you'd be flying. Either with the top foot lifted, or it can be grounded for support. And just like cat, it's a nice stretch for the upper back. Uh-oh, you don't want to climb on that. Yeah, maybe I'll hold you when we do this eagle pose on the second side. Yeah, you're still a horsey? You're still making horse sounds? Woo! So eagle pose on the second side. Wow, no, you don't want to be horse. Leg lifts, arms wrap. Yeah. All right, Miss Ara, I think we're about ready to clean up. What do you think? Yeah, you see your wipes over there? Wow, did you find a coaster? That has pretty flowers. Flowers. You know you like to smell flowers? But that doesn't smell too good, does it? Okay. Do you want to play some music? Do you know how to play music? Do you want to play the bell? So we'll just close out our practice today with a little bit of a meditation, breathing maybe, a little bit of some fun music, and maybe a moment or two of trying to do some Shavasana, and we'll close out practice. Okay, Ava. So Ava, you can play your Oh, you know you love music. Yeah, this is a stereo. Yeah, I like to play music on this. You can push right here. Is mommy not good at playing this? You want to put it away? Wait a minute. I was just getting the hang of that. I think I can almost play with McDonald's. What do you think? That was good? You're good at that? Wow. Is that it? Do you want to put it away now? Good job here. Good job putting that away. Now let's put all the animals here. And then we're going to pretend to sleep for our Shavasana. So we'll just lay down. Ava, can you go night-night? We lay down. And go night-night. Go night-night. Hi. Go night-night. Go night-night. Can you go night-night? Can you show mommy how you go night-night? Like this? Go night-night. Go night-night. Are you going night-night? Go night-night. All right. I don't think that lasted for long, did it? Yeah. Are you ready to get up? So we'll get up. Woo! Can you clap? Can you clap? Can you clap your 2 hands? You're clapping mommy. So, to say goodbye in yoga, we clap our hands at our heart. Yeah, just like that. And we hug. And we hug. Say bye-bye. What? You bounce. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy. Okay, say bye-bye now. Say bye-bye. She ran away. All right, thank you so much for joining, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, your sock. You took your sock off.